Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I have done a grocery shop and a butcher's haul today. I've just wanted to get it all put away rather than get it out, show it and video it and but I thought I'd just show you what I've got here, going here. They'd only got 2 pig's ears, so I've cut them up and they're on my dehydrator, 2 trays of them. They'll be going all night and they should be done tomorrow when I can wash it all down and get some mushrooms on, I think. And those pig's ears, that's 2 trays, 2 ears, 20p. That's all it's going to be. Well, that's all it is. They're 10p each. What is it, 20p each? One of the two. Cheap. Very. When you're there, if you ask for a bag of bones, they will give you a bag of bones. Free of charge. So they're in my large slow cooker with about 5 litres of water. They'll be going overnight and then I can sort it out and use some in the dog food that I'm making, and I'll can some as well for my next batch of dog food. So that's completely free bone broth. All it costs is a bit for a lid and a bit of electric for slow cooking it. A bag of veg that needs sorting, I'll do that tomorrow. I'm just too tired and aching now. That is peppermint. There is defrosting away so I can make and can up some dog food. In my fridge I've got quite a bit. I've got a couple of plucks in there that I'm going to sort out and make faggots with tomorrow because I'm out. I've got £10 of mint steak, so I'm going to fry that off and then can it. What else have I got in there? I don't know. It's just been one of those days, I think. Oh yes, I've got some chicken livers, so I'm going to do some pate as well. So if you're interested, let me know what in particular you'd be interested in, and but I'll see if I can record some things. Bye!
It's a